And when the rain comes, it says, "Listen, I have something to say." I obediently listen with crossed legs and a notebook and one studious ear leaning out the door. "Rain," I write. Unlike William, who preferred rainwater. In my rain, the water is implied. I also do not write rainfall. In my rain, the falling too is implied. When it rains is an event, as is raining, but I do not write these either. I write when the rain comes. I do not disregard the distance it has been to at last come to me. Oh, I thought that was you, I want to say. You must be tired. And I almost say, "Sit down. Would you like some water?" Then we begin to talk like two old friends. Remember when? And remember that? And remember how I'm drawn towards the rain as if at different times in my life I had excused myself in the middle of something important to end the dead soil, to bury some kind of secret. And oh, won't you come close, old friend? For a long time I have been telling myself, all things past remain alive in your scent.